you still doing?
What more?
I miss you inside.
Oh.
Okay, continue.
All right,
Don't say
darling.
I'm disturbing you.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, how are you? Please be fast with that, okay? And make sure you fix the breakfast after that. It's just my flowers. Pius! Pius, what is wrong with you? You're still washing this car. Just take a look at my flowers. Is it that you don't know you have to water them? You don't know you have to water the flowers?
I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry.
Please, I beg you, just try. Oh? It's not difficult. Try.
Okay, ma'am.
What? You see? Honey! Come here! Just come here! What have you done? What have you done?
And what did you see?
You sent me 6 million naira.
That is it.
What will I do?
Odogo Kambo.
What will I do with 6 million naira?
Use 1 million naira for upkeep.
Okay.
Then 5 million naira for your shopping. Prepare for your forthcoming birthday. It's going to be a bash. Locked down.
Like for real?
Oh yeah.
All for me? Oh my love.
All for you, my love.
You're just the best. You're just the best. Thank you.
you.
I love you.
I love you too.
You're the best husband ever. Ever. Thank you.
That is not enough. I'll give you a Jeep for your birthday.
It's a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Me?
Of course.
Oh God, what am I going to do?
Just
Can you tell me?
Just be happy for me.
Tell me,
Mm-hmm.
how do you want your breakfast served?
Oh.
How do you want it?
Mm.
You want it physical?
Oh.
Or do you want it foodical?
Oh,
Or do you want it spiritual?
Uh-huh.
Or do you want it radical? Or do you want it razzmatazz? Just tell me, baby.
Kill me.
I will do it for you.
Finish me.
I will finish you, my
What are you
love.
talking about?
Thank you. God bless you, baby.
Bless you too. You
God
see why I work
bless
so
you.
hard?
Yes.
I work so hard so I can make you happy.
I know.
Hmm?
This is too much.
All for you, baby.
Oh, for me.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
I've always loved you, okay?
I love you too.
You have not told me where you went to yesterday. You're coming back this morning.
Papa, this is not about where I went to and why I am coming back. Papa, this is a matter of life and death. Papa, you should be grateful that you're seeing me talking right in front of you. By this time, I should have been a dead person. Papa, God, I thank you. Papa, yesterday, a friend of ours was very sick and was rushed to the hospital. So I decided to go and visit her since my sister Oluchi will be going to the church. Papa, the unthinkable happened. Papa, I met armed robbers. You needed to have seen the way they were shooting. Papa, the gun was going everywhere. The bullets were flying up and down. People were dying. The man was loaded with blood. Papa, thank God I'm alive today. Oh. I was like, well, why didn't I didn't even tell Papa that I was going to the hospital? Now if I die, how will I be able to come out and tell you where I went to? I'm sorry I didn't tell you, Papa, but that was what happened.
Linus.
Papa.
Linus.
Papa, what is Linus?
Because you want me to believe it.
Papa, I swear. Papa, I can even leave the sand if you want. I swear to God. I would have licked it if not that I'm a Christian. Oh, but I'm a Christian. I have to go and hide myself inside the gutter. In the gutter can be a pure one. Papa, it's always good to tell your parents where you are going to. Because thank God I'm alive. Thank God. Papa, you know what? This Sunday I'll go for Thanksgiving. I'm not changing my mind. Nobody's stopping me from going to church this one. Because this is a very huge thing in my life. I don't care how any other person sees it.
Honey, how do you see that portion of land?
See, I love that land. And I must confess, it's on a good site.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
I'm glad you do.
I love it. So, what do you intend doing with the land?
You see, I'm actually looking at building maybe a 3-star hotel or an eatery.
A 3-star hotel would be better. When I travel back, I'll send you the money within 6 months. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Well, there's something else I want to tell you, but that will be when I get home. Alright?
I can't wait to hear you then.
Let's go.
Oh.
I'm really happy with what you're doing though. I'm really, really happy. I must confess.
I should trust me.
Actually.
You should trust me. Always.
Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. You don't see it. You don't see it. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect.
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day, young man. How may I help you?
Sir, I guess you are the father of Oluchi.
Yes, there is an Oluchi in my house.
Then where is she?
What do you mean, where is she? What has she done?
Where is Oluchi? I need to see her now.
Why? Is she your daughter? Where?
I want to see Oluchi. Oluchi is a deceiver. Oluchi duped me of my good money. My hard-earned money. I spent a whole lot on her yesterday on her birthday. After making me believe that she's in love with me. After making me feel that I'm the coolest guy for her. Little did I know that she's going around with one stupid sugar daddy somewhere. And I'm not here for jokes. I'm here for my money. If I don't get my money here today, I am not leaving.
Oluchi, come here.
What?
Do you know this man?
Where's my money?
Do you know them?
Where's my money?
Frank, what are you doing in my house? Eh? What are you doing here? Are you that stupid? Why do you bring your stupidity here? What is it?
Shut up, man! Eh? You think you can run away with my money?
No, did I force you? Did I force you? Eh? How much? How much is the money, sir? Eh? How much is it? Did I force you? Did I force you?
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up in my house! Papa! You see what you have caused? You see what you have caused?
I do not care. I'll come back for my money even if you like that.
Which money? Come back here! Come back here! Stupid idiot! Papa! Leave me! It's not me! It's not me! Go get a taxi! Papa! Look at you. Papa, it's me, oh. Papa! Even if the black sheep are disappointed, the white sheep is still here, Papa! Papa! That was what happened. That was how my father got himself in this recent condition.
Hi. What is this now? Eh? What kind of problem is this?
I do not want my father to die.
No, now don't say that now. You don't have to bring death into this matter. We have to sound very positive. Your father is not going to die. But the problem now is the money. Eh? The money they are talking is too much. Oh. It's very, very much now. Eh? But at the same time, we will not just fold our hands and allow him. In fact, I don't want to say die. Nothing will happen to him. Which one is dead?
What am I going to do? How do I get the money the doctor asked me for? Else my father is going to...
See. Stop calling death. Stop saying it. Nothing will happen to him. Okay? Nothing will happen to him. Put hands beside my TV. That side. You will take this one first. This is 49,002. I've been saving this money for some time now. But I cannot save it when your father is sick. Take. So rush to the hospital now. Give the doctor the 25,000 he's asking for. Use the rest to buy medicine. While I still go out there and hustle. Okay? Nothing will happen to him.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's well. Stop being worried. Okay? Let's go. Let me drop you. Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay.
So that was what she said. So the other guy,
Yeah.
the other guy now called me, Mrs. Rex. I said, yes. I said, what is it? Why are you disturbing me? He now said, please, I want to take you out for lunch. I was like, are you kidding me? Lunch, what for? He was like, you're so beautiful. I said, if my husband should hear this, Mr. Man, look at my, I am married. I am married.
Let me catch him else.
Relax.
Now.
He's not a threat. He's not even cute.
Are you sure?
Yes. My husband is so cute
I'll blow
that
my
I
bubble.
cannot look at any man.
I love you, babe.
So baby.
That's my angel.
Honey, I'm in the mood. Please, let's have a word. Okay.
Honey, please, I am not in the mood, please.
Okay. Why are you doing this to me? No. Rex, what is it? Do you know you're punishing me with all these silly excuses?
Babe, what is your problem? I worked so hard to make sure I meet up with your demand. But you're making me feel that you're so insatiable.
Really? You work so hard? Yes. Yes, I'm not disputing the fact that you work so hard to take care of our needs. I'm not disputing it. But look at me. You're stressing me. Emotionally, you're not taking care of it.
Honey, I am tired. Please.
You're tired? What are you telling me that you're tired? Why are you saying that to me? Money is different. I need you. It's you I need, not money. What is it?
Why do you nag this much? Why?
I'm nagging. Because I asked my husband to make love to me. Now I'm nagging.
I'm not cut out for this, please. I need to sleep, please.
Rex!
I need to sleep.
You need to sleep. That is all I get. All the time, you need to sleep. You need to sleep. Look at me. I am suffering. Get that. I'm suffering.
Good night.
Sleep, oh. Sleep. Sleep. Keep sleeping. Keep sleeping and this thing will be sleeping too.
Hello, Mrs. Morrow. I don't understand what I'm saying here. No, that wasn't our agreement before I invested in your company. What kind of stupid policy are you talking about? Policy my food. That I should come? Listen and listen real good. Nothing should affect the capital invested in your company. Nothing. I worked so hard to make my money. Nothing should happen to it. Rubbish. You think you can eat my money?
What is it? Why are you shouting?
These people want to embezzle the capital invested in their company. I won't let that happen.
Are you serious? So what are you going to do now?
They asked me to come. I'll be going to meet with them.
You're traveling?
Let me call my ticket agent to make a reservation for me. Hello, Mike. I need a seat reservation. 4 p.m. please. Alright, thank you.
You think it go last forever? You think it will last forever?
I'm here. I'm right here.
Remember one day, your cup will go full. One day, your cup will go
I'm sorry, I'm just chilling. I hope you didn't miss me too much.
I've been looking for you everywhere.
I know, I'm just chilling here.
Well, honey, there's something I want us to discuss.
Okay.
Honey, I am concerned about our level of childlessness. And I feel like we should go see a doctor to know where our problems are coming from.
You're right, but going to see a doctor wouldn't be necessary because that would be waste of money, you know. I was even going to talk to you about this woman that treats people like she helps people who are looking to conceive, get pregnant faster. Like there have been series of testimonies from people she has helped in the past. Maybe I can actually go meet her up and get some medications for the both of us.
Where is this woman?
She's somewhere in a remote village in this circle. I can go for the both of us.
You think my presence won't be needed?
Not really, but if you insist, that's fine. We can go together. But I can actually go for the both of us, you know. All I need to do is to explain to her that we've been married for 7 years without a child. Of course, she will definitely know the right medication to prescribe for the both of us.
Well, if you insist, I'll give you some money so you can get whatever you need to get. But please, don't forget anything.
Trust me not to. Of course, I won't.
Alright, I trust you.
In that case, let me go get ready.
Oh, okay. Okay, while you're away, I'll use this time to hook up with friends. Alright?
Alright, bye. I'll
come
be
here,
back
come
soon.
here before you go.
I have my way. I will get back on this job. But it's a journey that is still
It's okay. I understand why you have to go. Business, right? I can't stop you. So please, just go. You have my blessing.
That's my baby. I promise I won't stay long this time around. Okay?
Promise.
I promise.
I miss you.
Miss you too. I love you, babe.
Daddy.
Yeah, so Let's go. I have to drop you people off. Okay? Alright.
Alright,
Alright
careful.
then.
Come,
Okay.
darling, come.
Alright. Let's go.
Careful, be a good girl, okay? Don't make her trouble. Mwah.
She always looks for trouble.
Bye. What about you? Big mouth. Junior, be careful.
Alright, honey. I love you.
I love you too, darling. Be safe, you.
Bye, sir.
Alright, bye.
So how's your father?
It's getting better. His condition is improving.
Thank God. At least you have rest of mind from that side.
You're right.
Well, I brought some provisions, at least to be drinking tea.
For me, for my father.
For your father.
It's not too much. Even juice.
To refresh.
And it's cold though. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am sure you will like this. Thank you.
Okay. Just tell him that we all are praying for his recovery.
Okay. Let me rush back to the hospital before you wake up and start looking for me.
As well. It's fine, eh?
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. What is the content of this mixture?
Are you scared?
Not really, but at least I should know what I'm taking.
Like I said, this is a multivitamin compound.
Okay.
It refreshes the woman's body and makes her glow. When that happens, you will believe that you are pregnant.
Oh, wow. You're such a genius. Oh my God, this is awesome. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much, my darling.
And this is for your husband.
Okay.
Once he takes this, he will not let you rest. And when that happens, he will have no reason to doubt or to suspect you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, darling. Oh my God. You're such a darling.
Welcome.
Oh my God. Listen, if this works out as planned, I promise to be forever indebted to you. I promise you.
Don't worry. I'm doing this because you're my friends, you know.
Thank you so much. I
You're
owe you
welcome.
one too. Okay, to be sure again, you said this is for my husband and this is for me, right?
Yes. And make sure you don't make any mistake.
I will not make any mistake. In fact, I'm going to keep his at the back while mine will be in the front so I don't mix them up.
Good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My genius friend.
Let's wait for the baby.
Here you go. 9 months. 9 months.
Then I begin to get pregnant.
9 months.
I can't continue like this. I think I have to call Val. I can't pretend that I am happy while I'm not. You're not happy, Pat. You're not. You are suffering. But you have to do it. Pick up. Hey, why is he not picking his calls? He's not picking his calls.
Honey. Honey. Honey, please, I still want us to make love.
Excuse me. Aren't you tired? Do you want to kill me or something?
Honey, look.
Please, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Look, I've not felt like this in a very long time. Please, let's just do more one. Please.
How do you mean?
Look, honey. Ever since you gave me the herbal medicine, I've been feeling like a horse. And all of a sudden I have this unquenchable stamina, and right now I just want to eat you raw.
No way. No freaking way. You will eat yourself raw, not me. Please. Like, did you just say that to me? Oh my God. Okay, now, you believe me, right?
Yeah.
You believe everything I say. You never doubt me again. With the way you are going, that means very soon I will have a baby for you. I'll be pregnant then.
I can't wait to be a father. Please now, let's just do one now.
God will do it for us. You want to now eat me on the couch?
Let's go
Can't
inside.
you wait? Oh my God, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Just one.
Oh, I'm so tired. Please.
One, please.
Why are you bugging my phone with so much calls and numerous messages? You didn't get the notice, right? Why are you disturbing me?
So it has gotten to the point to no longer reply my text messages or pick my calls.
Well, that's by the way. I got your text message that you're here. And that's why I came around. Why have you been bugging my phone with on countless messages? What is wrong with you? Huh? I thought we agreed that we ain't going to see each other anymore. So what's up?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did all that because my husband was around. I don't know what else to do, please. I'm so sorry. You know me. Ordinarily, I won't say that to you, you know. But I'm so sorry for hurting you with my words. I'm sorry, Val, please.
It's okay. Don't cry, baby. My Bugatti. You know how much I love you. You know you have a way of reaching to my heart. You have this soft spot, you know the way you go about it. Baby, you make me wonder, how do you do it? You got these magical words, which, you know. Come here. It's true.
Thank you so much.
It's true. You know what? Let me give you a treat. Okay, in fact, let's do lunch. Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'll take you out for lunch, baby. Come on.
So I should wipe my tears.
Yes, you can go ahead to do that. Then not just that. After that, we'll take you to the poolside so you get yourself refreshing up, you know, and get some cozy shit. Oh my God.
you. You're so caring.
Yes,
And I
baby.
love you for that.
I love you so much. Can't do without you. You're my Bugatti. You know what? Let's go. It's the time.
Yes, let's go. I need it. The weather is too hot.
My Bugatti. Ah.
You want to enjoy life. You want to flex yourself. You say body no be firewood. You say you don't go down your moment. You must enjoy life.
First of all, I want to say thank you for honoring my invite. I really appreciate that. But then, as I was saying, everything that happened between myself and Oluchi is in the past. And I am a man that do not visit the past, okay? I have forgiven her, and I just pray that she do same.
Well, I actually like your tone. I love what you just said. To err, they say, is human, and to forgive is divine. So thank you for forgiving my friend, and God bless.
It's okay. I have also moved on with my life. And then, honestly, I wish Oluchi, wherever she is, the very best of luck.
Okay, that's nice as well, super nice, and it's okay. I appreciate all of that. But what I don't understand is your reason of invitation and also the reason you're telling me all of this. I don't understand it.
Alright. I understand that you and Oluchi are friends, if possible, best of friends.
Best of friends.
You see, I have a very bright future, that I know. But then, my future cannot be brighter if a woman like you is not in it. Okay. What I am trying to say is, I want you to be part of my future. To make it brighter.
Please, how do you mean? Because I don't understand.
I will explain myself. There are certain qualities, character traits that Oluchi, your friend, do not have. And as a man, to be strong and conquer everything, you need a woman with all of this good character trait. But the irony is, in you, I have found all of them. I mean, all of them. I know this place might not be the best place, or at this point, it might not be the best time, but then I just want to secure my future. So I am saying humbly, marry me. I want you to be the only mother of my children. Please. I'm ready to do anything you want. Please.
Sorry, Frank, what did you say? Come again. I should...
Marry me. Please.
Honestly, as you can see, I'm lost for words because how can you even ask me to marry you? I mean, you don't even know me.
I love. Listen. Don't think I don't know you. I know you more than you think. And I'm very comfortable with you. Yes, I mean it. Please, just say yes to me. And I'll be the most happiest man on earth. I'm going to scream out loud right now. If you just say yes. Say yes.
Honestly, Frank, everything is happening so fast that I don't even know what to say. I don't even have an answer to give to you. So please, you have to give me time to think about this.
I know everything is happening too fast. I can control the speed. I can make it very, very firm and focused. Just okay. Think about it. It's gonna be a beautiful one today.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world. Make it a beginning for us. Papa, don't be a color. Hey, Nana, don't be a color. The Mankiji Bulmadu is wake. Allow God to do the rest. He knows every man, but in and out, he knows.
Always promise you that I always follow.
He knows who is righteous. He knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's Nobody's perfect. God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we're heading to. If I know my name, may God help us in this world.
Yes.
If you put your heart and give it to your wow, I get it for me.
This is unbelievable. But coming up with a man from a hotel.
Hey! My sister, I am glad I did not see her again. At least you were there to witness things with your eyes, because if not, she would deny it.
Is this not the same part that have been condemning your relationship with Prince?
That's human being for you now. At least it's now obvious that I'm not the only one that likes men's cucumber. I now have an accomplice in parts.
But why is she hiding it from us? She should tell us now. She knows our secret. We should know hers.
Now, why are you even bothered? Why are you even bothered about that pretender? That's how she wants to live her life. So let her continue like that.
But you know, I will confront her. I have to call her.
If you ask me, I don't think it's necessary. But if you insist on confronting her, that's your business.
I will.
Make sure you don't tell her on the phone. Don't tell her over the phone. See her face to face.
Okay, no problem. I will go and see her in her office.
It's not even a serious thing.
I have to. My dear. Hey! Cat!
You are the one paying attention on that.
Secrety, sneaky.
Hey?
Mama, do you know
that song that they say, now you the wrong kitty kitty, you the wrong kata kata. Mama, now me they sing out. What do you mean now? He gave me this money today. I was running helter-skelter. I was running like an antelope to come and show me. My legs were paining me that I had to remove my shoes outside. He said, Eforia, Mama Neya, ego. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400,000 cash. Mama, Arabamta. Asimgina Arabamta. I ran mad. And do you know what he said? That where this one came from, there's still many more. Hey! Hey! Yeah! I told you. Mama! Hey! What do you want? Mama! What do? You mean? He gave you all this money? Mama, I put $1 million on open your cash. My head spinned and spinned and spinned. Eh? He told me a lot of things too. He said he is going to make me his queen and that he's going to take me around the world. Mama, abanyegom no fena so potopoto.
Wait,
Mama muke no fuma.
What was your answer when he told you about this?
Mama, you don't expect me to say yes just like that now. Eh? I needed to do some more shakara, so I told him I'll think about it.
Shaka again? Eh? You should have accepted immediately.
Mama, this is my mother self. Mama, you worry too much. I've got him in my palms. Come on, I am the one that is doing the shakara. He's the one that is running the kitty kitty kata kata. The only kitty kitty kata kata that me I'm running is money.
Ujunwa,
Mama,
don't let this one slip away. You know I have been praying for a rich son-in-law. All this while.
Baby, are you with a girl? Mama, you've gotten a rich son-in-law. A rich son-in-law.
Meanwhile, give me my own shirt.
Mama, calm down. I'll give you next time. I need to go for shopping. I need to pray. I need to put that on her head. Mama, calm down. I'll give you. Mama,
Adam Bacon. Oh, mom.
Oh, Mama, you like money more
I
than
want
me.
to know. Nah, I'm going to become a son. It's a commentary.
Mama, I have given you some. Worry not.
Some
whether you go here, I.
Hey! Moboro manwa, onye ga-enye moboro manwa, onye ga-enye ukwu George, onye ga-enye ntori, onye ga-enye okporoko, onye ga-enye moboro manwa.
Where is my son? Thank you. Thank you. Can God will bless you. Bless you too. Look at you. You came to the hospital. You even paid my hospital bill. Baba, God will not deny you a genuine cancer.
Amen.
Yes. Amen. God will bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't mention. I did
what I'm supposed, of course, as human, to do.
I know. Thank you.
Okay, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Papa, I have to start going to continue my work for the day. Since you are now back, so I'll go for business. Yes.
Go. It's already getting bad.
Thank you, O.
Okay.
Thank you, Ken.
Thank you. Don't you think we need to make food for Papa to eat?
Papa, what would you like to eat?
Okay, I'll go and boil water for Papa to bathe.
Okay.
While you make food.
Okay, that's fine. Papa, sorry, oh. Sorry. Please take. Help me keep this inside. Papa, are you sure you'll be fine all by yourself?
I will be fine.
Okay, then let me just join her. Okay, I'm coming.
Yes. I heard you. Yes. Okay. Baby, guess what? Guess now, just try. Why would you be asking me what about? I just said guess, so you should. Okay. About your proposal to me, just guess what my answer is. Come on! You are such a smart, cute guy. Yes, I'm saying yes to your proposal. You and I know I'm not supposed to do this over the phone, but I just don't want to keep you in suspense, that's why. Get out. I love you more. Okay. Yeah, I do. Sure, she's fine. Okay. Alright, baby, you take care, okay? Stay safe. Mama. Hey! Mama, what did he say? The young cute man is super excited, of course. What do you expect before?
Is you?
I heard before now.
But no, it's true I have not seen the young man in question. But I am fully convinced that he is going to be a wonderful son-in-law to me.
Yes. Nkabo understatement. Mama, Frank is willing to do anything. Anything at all to make me happy. If I say something, within a blink of an eye, boom, it is done. Mama, I am grateful to God though, because I think He sent him to us to wipe our tears away.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, Lord.
You know, this has been my long time dream for me to go for Omugo in abroad. I mean, Obodo Yibo.
Mama, your dream is already fulfilled.
Okay?
Oh, yeah, now. Immoral. Mama, let me tell you something. Frank is not going to waste a second to come and pay my bride price. And I am suspecting that young man. I'm suspecting that he's planning our white wedding and that of our honeymoon to take place in Caribbean island. Can you beat that?
In Caribbean
Island. I'm asking the Caribbean island. I say I'm Caribbean game. Caribbean island.
No, I'm not pardon.
Okay, say Caribbean island.
Caribbean land. Where?
That's you?
Who is he?
He's my friend and also my business partner.
So you mean you guys work together?
Exactly. We work together. Your mother is my business partner. Yes. You're a smart kid. What's your name?
My name is Junior Rex.
Junior Rex.
And what's yours?
My name? Mr. Valentine.
Wow, Mr. Valentine. Uncle Valentine. I like your name.
Oh, thank you very much. Listen, guys, you know, definitely Uncle Valentine will come here with that money. So I got you this.
Thank you, Valentine.
I love you guys.
Love you too.
You know what? Just do some little coochie. You know?
Okay, it's mine.
Alright, guys, listen. Let me do that. Listen. You take it easy, okay? There's enough to go on. You know that? Enough to go on. Just
take one. No, I'm the one taking 3. I'm older than you. So
check out the height.
It's okay, let's do it. Alright, listen. I promise you, whenever I'm coming, I'll buy you more goods, okay?
Okay.
But right now, I'm feeling to you. I have a business I need to take care of. So I need to order out, okay?
Yeah.
So I'll catch you next time, alright?
Bye.
Bye. That's your man. Alright, you guys.
Stop that.
Let me get my room. Alright.
Okay, guys. Take care. Myers! Easy! Junior! Can't see! Stop that! Please, can you open the gate? Stop!
Why are you yawning like that?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. No, don't enter the kitchen and cook. Stay there and be
You cannot
yawning.
enter the kitchen.
Oh, I should enter the kitchen.
This week in our prayer and fasting week.
So you better enter the kitchen and cook before Papa comes back home.
Okay.
Here.
Papa is back. I was not prepared lunch.
Who is we? Who was supposed to cook? Me or you? Man, just I told you, didn't I? Shift. Wait. Why is he walking like that?
Why is Papa walking like that? Papa, welcome.
Papa, are you okay?
What is it?
Papa.
Oh, give me, Papa.
What is this?
This is to notify you that you are hereby sacked.
Chimo! Papa, they sacked you? Why? Why would they sack you?
Papa, that's me. That's wickedness now.
Why now? Why would they do this?
What do you want me to do? What exactly do you want me to do now?
Papa, they cannot sack you. After how many years of service in that company, they just sacked you because you were just sick?
Goodness, can't somebody be sick and be off work again? What is this?
I don't know what you people want me to do.
Papa, we can do something. We're going to do something. You can get a lawyer. Let's get a lawyer and fight them.
I don't have strength for that.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay, please. Don't cry.
30 years of my life, I came to that company. 30 years and they just threw me away.
Hey.
Papa, don't worry. Like you said, let's just leave it for God. Let's leave it for God. God will fight them. God will judge them. God will judge them.
It's okay.
Papa, it's okay now, Papa.
Don't cry. Let me go and make a wonderful meal for you to eat. Oh?
Mom.
Yes, darling.
I enjoyed the juice Uncle Valentine bought for us.
Oh, really? That means it's very sweet, right?
Yes. In fact, I enjoyed everything Uncle Valentine bought for us.
Oh, that's my girl.
You also buy all these beautiful things and delicious things.
Is it not when he's around?
Junior, what is wrong with you? It seems you don't like Uncle Val.
I like my daddy more than him.
Listen, kid. No one is disputing that. I know you have to like your daddy more than him. But remember, you don't have to hate someone. Do not hate, okay? It's not good.
Fine.
It's not fine. Are we clear?
Yes, Mom.
Better.
Mom.
Yes, Daddy.
I like Uncle Valentine.
Really?
Yes.
That's good. Uncle Valentine is a nice man. Soon you will like him for good. And he is a gentleman too.
Yes, Mom.
Don't you ever hate someone. It's not good, okay?
Fine.
It's not fine. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
Papa! 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 Papa!
Papa, I have made it. Papa, I have made it. I have made it. Papa, you know I told you I was going to make you proud, but you were arguing with me. Oh my God. Papa, this is my result. My jam result, and I passed all of them. Not just that, Papa, I have been given an admission to study accountancy in the university. I present to you my result.
Let me see. Okay, Joe. Hey, but are you sure that this is her result? Check.
Right, it is.
Papa.
Is it her name?
Yes.
Her number? Check.
It is.
Are you sure this thing is not forged?
Huh.
Does it look like original?
Papa is the original one. How the original Kijak? Papa, I am too much. I'm too much. My father, my daughter. Sorry, but I made you proud, Papa.
It's okay. Congratulations.
Thank you, Papa.
Congratulations.
Thank you, guys.
But it is only accountancy they say you should study.
Papa, accountancy. It means I'll be bringing back money in the future.
True. That is for lazy people. my daughter here is going to study aeronautic engineering. Ada, go and bring your result. Let me see. Sir? When are you going to check it now? Or have you checked it?
I already did. I checked it earlier.
Hey, you checked your result. You didn't show your father. Go and bring it now. Let us show her what you are made up of. Okay, Nizzy.
Papa, you said what?
Go and bring your result.
Papa, there's no need. Papa, there won't be any need showing you the results because something happened. I believe something happened. There was a swap because the result they gave me is not actually my own. It's not my own. I knew it when I saw it. You know, sometimes these people, they just make mistakes with these names, especially when you share a surname with somebody or something. They will just turn things around. But I'll make sure they correct it because it's not good.
Alochi.
Sir?
They go do Iki John Lanyose. You're shooting from your mouth. How can you be talking this nonsense to me? Why are you a disappointment to your father? Oluchi,
Papa.
I gave you everything, gave you every support. Even above your sister, that I considered to be wayward and a prodigal. I believed so much in you. Look at what you have done, Oluchi. Why are you a disappointment to your father? Why?
Papa, I don't know why you're condemning me. Don't condemn me. This is not the end of the road. There was a swap. It wasn't my fault. There was a swap. I believe strongly there was a swap.
Why is it only in your case that there was a swap?
Sir?
Why is it that it is in your case that there is a swap? Why did they not swap other people so? Why did they not swap her? If I... Why are you a disappointment? Eh?
Papa.
So all this your appearance, all this your long gown. I thought it was a joke when I caught you with that man. I gave you another opportunity and you have wasted it again. It means you are the bad person. All those long gowns, tomorrow, all-night crusade. After tomorrow, Mother Mary crusade. Then we go for evangelical perplexion outreach. We preach the word of God. They go do, then one other they go do.
Papa, I shall make it.
Wait, shut up!
I shall make
Make what?
I shall still make it. Papa, don't.
I slap.
Papa, you're coming closer. Papa.
Mom, congratulations.
Thank you, Papa.
Will you not call Ken to come and to know about the result?
Papa, am I mad? Sorry, Papa, I wanted to call Ken, but I don't have credit in my phone.
I will give you my own phone. Take my phone and call him. Tell him that you are not going to study accountancy in the university. Call him. Nonsense. Come on, blow the whatever before you are getting on my tracker.
Hello? Hello, Ken. Ken, guess what?
I don't understand. What do you mean he saw me in a hotel with a man? Please, it's not me. Maybe it's my look-alike. I'm not the one.
But, babes, stop denying. We understand how these things work. It's not as if we are judging you or anything. Come on.
Exactly, my sister. Are we not supposed to be friends again? No, even if you want to hide something from anybody, you will now hide things from us, your friends. It's your life at the end of the day. Whatever you want to do with it, that's your cup of tea. Not like it's our business, Sha.
We are all adults here.
Imagine.
I can understand you want to keep this away from us. But let me give you this advice. Go ahead and enjoy your life with your new bae. But just be careful.
It's just a piece of advice. So if you like, you take. If you like, you don't take. That's your business. It's not our life at the end of the day.
Anyway, let's leave. And before we leave, I hope the young man is servicing and greasing the engine very, very well.
didn't see asking.
From her face, from the glow on her face, she's glowing.
Inside.
So you're not collecting this thing, is that what you're saying?
I'm not collecting anything.
Enjoy yourself,
No problem.
You want to enjoy life. You want to flex yourself. You say body no be firewood. You say you never down your moment. You must enjoy life. You go enjoy yourself. Life is good, this life is sweet, but don't kill yourself with enjoyment. Enjoyment the kilo, it taught your wise. Life the kilo. Why are you this way? You think it go last forever? You think it will last forever?
How are you? The case of God. Oga, are you? What case of God? Hey! Anything for the boy. Hey!
He the sweet he go pay you later. He the sweet he go pay you later. He the sweet he go pay you He the sweet he go pay you later.
Hey! Hey! Oga my Oga. In fact, Oga thank you, sir. Any rule that you Oga you sabi. Hey! Hey! I miss you guys. How are you? You know I promised you I was going to buy you a gift when I'm coming next time.
Yes, I remember. You promised us.
I got you pizza! Yeah, you're the best too. And I also got you juice to dilute it.
Easy! Must you fight?
Okay,
wait!
You know what?
Must you fight? Stop! Easy! Take it easy!
Easy, guys, easy.
You don't have to leave it. Let it go. It's alright.
Yeah, guys,
I'll
listen.
use your hands for nyam nyam.
No, don't use anybody's hands for your yum, okay? Listen, I have to business and it's Uncle Buddy Land, I'm building my house. Yes!
Bye!
Yes, so what's your name again? Sorry?
I'm Tessie, sir.
Oh, Tessie.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's nice. It's a lovely name. You know what? Oh, use this, please. I want you to buy the clothes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You're spoiling them. I don't like it.
All right, I'll see you for that time.
Okay, take care of
Oh, you take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Uncle Bo.
I love you guys.
I love you.
Love you guys.
I love you.
All right, yeah, I'll see you some other time. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye,
You're
Uncle
welcome.
Bo.
I said bye, good friends, okay? Bye, Gavin. Bye,
No, it can't be. I said stop. Stop it.
Yeah, get it.
Stop. I'm older than you. I told you.
Inside.
Me.
Take them inside. You.
No. Inside. Get it. Let's go. It's okay. Don't worry. Amen.
What is that?
But now you see the past, like sheep on the broken line, dangerous out of sight.
Papa, I'm here to see Kosi Resort. Is she around?
She's inside.
She's inside. Papa, are you all right?
Ken, I have been praying, begging God to allow my children pass their exams. He answered me. Oh. God answered me my prayers. Kosi made all her papers and she was even given admission to study accountancy. Accountancy in the university. Oh! But I am jobless. How will I train her? How will I train her?
Papa, Papa. The truth is, because God has already started with it, there is no way he will give up on us now. It is not possible. The God that has made her pass her exams will also make a provision for her to go to school. Okay? Let's not worry. The miracle has been done. She passed her exams, which is very important. But you starting to think about it now, it is not the best way for your health, Papa. Please, don't worry about it. Papa. But is she inside? Is Kosi inside?
I said she is inside.
Kosi! Kosi Sochuku! She said Papa, she thought Papa.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations! Go and bring your results. Let me see with my eyes.
My results? Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I heard what happened.
You heard what? No. You heard what? What happened?
No, I heard.
You heard what, Kwanu?
No, I heard you failed all your papers.
You heard that? See, you have to be very careful and be focused. What is wrong with you? Who is your mate? You don't have anything in mind, but you heard. You're not serious. Nonsense. Useless keke driver. No, Papa, don't tell me it's okay. Oh. Don't tell me it's okay because it's not okay. It is not okay. What is okay, dear?
Even mathematics beat you. Come here, you deserve a hug. You deserve a hug. Look at it now. It's your now. Economics A1. Hey, my accountancy. My accountancy. This is it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You has made us proud.
Thank you.
Everybody is proud of you.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I will buy you very, very big gift for this result.
Really?
Yes. Let me not mention it now.
Thank you.
The problem now is, where am I going to get the money to train her? Where?
Don't worry. When we get to the bridge, we will cross it. That is what.
When are you getting to the bridge again? See, if it's motivational speech you brought here today, just carry your useless keke and get out of this place. It's not speech we need money. Oluchi, what? Let me talk. What is it? What do you even see in this useless good for nothing idiot keke driver that you are being protective of him? What is it?
What's your problem?
Will this speech bring money? I'm asking you.
Problem? Papa, please don't talk to
her.
Talk to her. I don't like the way she used awful words on my friend Ken. I don't like it.
Your friend Ken? I don't even know when you see this useless keke driver that you're overprotective of him. What is that one? Papa will not stop. Did you not hear him asking me? I heard what happened. What happened?
You have a result. You have a result.
You heard what happened.
The doctor is having a result.
Yes.
You have a result.
I am not having a result. How is she going to go? Where are you going to get money from to sponsor her? Even if you say this your useless pop cap and this wrong local gown that you wear in the name of Polo with your timbal and this your useless okay? Can you train hands? Will he bring the money?
I said it's a money.
Papa, you were here when he was you telling me he heard what happened. What happened? Am I amputated? Or am I having leg pain? You didn't mean any harm. Am I walking like a cookie? You heard what happened. Nonsense. Please don't get me involved in this rubbish. Don't get me involved in this rubbish. Useless keke driver. Look at
Go
me.
away.
Why are you even wearing gowns?
Go away!
Wear gown, wear trouser, wear Timberland and Papa's cap. Then you think there is somebody to come and talk to me. Or see I heard what happened. Nonsense.
But now this thing is calling this guy. It's not really down. Whether it's down or it's not, it's good on you. Well, it's okay. Mama, like I was saying.
Honey, you're sleeping.
Honey, my system has drastically changed.
I also noticed you have been vomiting since morning. Does that mean you are
pregnant? I thought you'd have noticed since.
What? You're pregnant? Are you serious about this? Well, this is actually great news. Come here, honey. You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm 2 months gone.
Wow, so I'm going to be a father.
Exactly what it means.
See, honey, for this, name whatever you want, I'll do it for you. Anything you want.
Thank you, my love.
So I'm going to be a father. Finally. Wow.
Are you serious? Hey. It's okay, no problem. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for giving me this information. No, it's okay, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Sis. Chai.
What is it?
Kosi, can you imagine what that bitch of a girl did?
Bitch?
Yes.
He's a bitch.
Uju, of course. Uju.
Which Uju?
The Uju that you and I know. Uju.
Uju, your friend?
Yes.
So, what happened? What did she do?
Kosi, as we speak, Uju and Frank are in a relationship and they're planning to get married. In fact, their wedding is soon.
Married? Uju, Frank.
I just got a call. There's an ongoing wedding plan between them. Chai. Bye.
So why didn't she tell you?
Ask me. The courtesy of even informing me wasn't there. She just went ahead.
So what are you going to do now?
What am I going to do? Nothing. I mean, good readers about rubbish. They deserve each other. They can have each other, no problem. I don't care. But you see that Uju, eh? Uju. Uju. It's okay. It's okay.
Getting married.
It's okay.
Uju and Frank. What a combination.
They should go. No problem. They should carry go.
Look, honey, I have to start making preparations to go back now. Especially now that you're pregnant.
Very funny. Wait, so you are telling me that your sole reason for coming back is just to get me pregnant and off you go? Is that it?
Honey, not exactly. Look, see, I need to go back and look for more money. Especially now that you're an expectant mother. Come on. Don't talk like that. See, I promise I will keep you updated on all the happenings. You wouldn't even miss a thing. I promise.
I'm not angry though. I'm not. It's just that I've started missing you already. Don't worry. Your baby will be right here kicking. And I'm suspecting he's going to be a boy.
And he's going to be a star boy. And he would definitely look like his father.
Who said he's going to look like his father? What about the mother?
Of course, I have the stronger gene here. Come on.
Can you stop gassing yourself up?
No, you know I'm not gassing myself. Anyway, let me go get ready here so I can leave. Alright?
Okay, you want me to come help you out?
No.
May God help us in this world. Cause we don't know where we are heading to. Nobia mama gama, if you know what name, may God help us in this world. Makiti happy for Nobia mama gama, Mama, Nobia kalapudi.
You blame me.
No.
You blame me. Had mad fun with you.
Well, having fun is an understatement. I had a marvelous time with you too.
I'm happy you enjoyed my sex style, you know. You I was banging.
With you, wow, sex is awesome. Sex is amazing. Sex is wonderful. Thank you for showing me different styles, positions, for taking me to the sky. Thank you.
Baby, I'm really happy you love my sex style, you know. The banger. But you know what? You should have had some married men. They're not good in styles. But we that are well experienced, we know all the styles.
What's your matter? I know you're talking about my husband.
No, baby, I'm not happy.
What is it, my love?
I know when your husband come back, you won't have my time anymore. I know you'll be so busy taking good care of him.
Can you please stop? I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. He's my husband, I can handle my own husband. We'll tread with care, okay? I know how to handle my own husband.
Because I can't have enough of
Come
you.
Come on, I will always have your time. Yeah,
I don't care. I don't care.
You have to.
Yeah, I really had fun today. I hope to see you pretty soon.
And I hope to see more of you as well, because I had fun.
I just don't know. Really, I don't know how I'm going to live my life without you. You mean a whole lot to me. Yeah, you mean a whole lot to me. I really wish I don't have to let you go. All the same, I know you still have to leave. Come here. I'll take care of you, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. You deserve everything. Just go on.
Thank you so much. Thanks, my love. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. And like I said, I really wish to see more of you. You're cute and cute at heart.
You will. Anytime you want, anyhow you want it. I'm always at your service, baby girl.
Okay, thank you. Then let me run along.
Yeah. Bye, baby girl. I love you.
I love you more. Okay.
Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. You don't see
Oh my God. You guys are what is doing with this? It's okay. You go to have a photo too. Let's go to work process. Money! Give me money! Yes! Money!
Honey, where are you? I'm ready. Where are you? Honey?
I'm coming. I'm so sorry to keep you waiting. I'm really going to miss you. But it is what it is. You have to go back to base.
It's okay, honey. I will keep you updated on all the happenings. I will make sure you don't miss a thing, okay? Alright? Just come drop me at the airport so I don't miss my
Sure,
flight.
let's go.
Please, make sure you take care of my son. Alright?
Of course.
Oh, promise me you'll take care of him.
I will.
Come drop me up there.
Okay.
Life is good, oh. This life is sweet, oh. But don't kill yourself, oh. With enjoyment. Enjoyment they kill, oh.
Oh! Our information minister. She has come.
Esther, what is it?
Hey, Ogene. Easy now. Girls, have you heard? Heard what?
If it's about Uju getting married,
We have heard it.
we already know.
This is a different news. Yes, Uju is running mad.
Uju?
Isigini.
Mad? Uju?
Hey, I am surprised you girls didn't know about this. The news is everywhere. On an yes.
What happened? What happened to her?
I heard she came down from a Yahoo boy's car.
Hey! Wait, Chelu. Are you trying to say that Frank is a Yahoo boy?
I didn't say so. I don't know if it's Frank or someone else.
Hey!
Chelu. My sister. There is another guy.
Here! You got to put up a door. Yeah, you put the no. How can you name it? What is it?
I heard Prince and Sonia were involved in a motor accident.
Mama!
Jumai, and they planned leaving this city with the money they duped from the sugar money.
Hey!
Sugar money, sugar money. All up to we just put my and St. Mary's Hospital.
St. Mary's Hospital?
Yes.
Did they cut their leg? Have they amputated
They
their leg?
don't know. I said I heard. I know, man. No, I didn't see.
So to people that have accident, they cut
No,
leg.
God forbid to not get to
Teacher,
that.
how cut all your
Please,
leg?
let's go and see them.
I better let me finish my washing my clothes. Am I the one that
Boss,
has the
let's
driver's
go.
license?
No, remember, stop. Let me sit. I feel for no good. I need water. Go and get me water. If you're going to see. Hey, this news, people that. Go and get me water. Let me drink. I don't know coming from No, I said I heard.
See what I see.
No, please, now don't make this. Don't laugh at this.
Hey!
They're not laughing. I'm
Shiva!
serious. Let's go and see them, please.
Oh, give me for
Only
this
to you
village.
can get me water.
Hold on now.
Kofi! Ogene! What is it?
Uju, your friend now? Wow. They say she has gone mad. She has run mad. You see what I have been saying? This is exactly what I have been afraid of.
Papa, please. You cannot be comparing me with Uju or even your kids or your children, please. Uju is a very greedy human being. If she was not greedy, she wouldn't have gotten herself into that kind of temptation in the first place.
Gossip, this is not where the point of emphasis is. The point of emphasis is that Uju dresses nakedly. She hardly covers her body when she's going out, and she has attracted madness into her body. Exactly what I am telling you. You should try to cover yourself. Cover yourself when you are going out.
Papa, I actually came out here to see if I could at least get service or something. But you know what? I want to go inside and rest. Please.
By the time the whole world sees everything about you, what will your husband call his pride? This girl, you are becoming deaf. Okay. It's all right.
Papa, see, for some time now, I've been building this feeling I have on my mind. So you are like a father to me. So I think it's good to always tell you the truth and tell you how it is on my mind. The truth is that I love Kosi so very, very well. And my only dream is to marry her. Yes, Papa, I really want to marry Kosi Sochukwu.
Ken, you are like a son to me. You are just an ordinary keke rider. Just an ordinary keke rider. Is that what you are going to use to support a family, a young family for that matter? Don't you think you will be overstretching yourself, still using only this keke to think of sending Kosi through the university? No, now. No, now, Mom, it's not possible. It's not possible.
Papa, well, I will not say I don't understand what you just said. I understand very, very well. But for me to come here today, to open up to tell you how I feel, means that in one way or the other, I am working towards it. What I'm trying to say is that I've been saving for some time to be able to take care of that.
It's okay. All right. Have you discussed this with Kosi?
Actually, no. But like me, I said I have to come and tell you first. Let me come and tell you my mind before telling her. So at least I can plan to bring my people.
Don't go there yet. Don't go there yet. You have to agree with Kosi now. Is it not me you are coming to marry? You will tell her, then you hear what she has to say. I'm out of it. Anyway, wait. Kosi. Kosi.
Papa. Papa. Good afternoon.
Coco.
Kosi. You know him, Ken. He's your friend. He said he wants to take your hand in marriage. What do you have to say?
He said he wants to take my hand in marriage. Whosoever that did this to my daughter, it will never be well with you. 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 My God will punish you. My God will punish you.
When you see somebody, don't look down on him because you can.
Hello?
Appearance doesn't matter always. Don't give conclusion. Yeah. A negative mind will fall in everything they see. But a positive mind, yeah, finds opportunity in everything. People judge you by what they see. People judge you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How is your day? I hope everything is fine. Here are the news headlines coming from our studio. The police has arrested one Mr. Frank, a notorious kidnapper, highway robber. A criminal has been arrested by the police search team. They recovered some human parts from him. He confessed to making one mistake. He has also given useful evidences about his victims to the police, and they are still investigating.
Thank you, Jesus.
I advise you to keep tuned to our channel
my
for more updates on this.
We never allow this.
I am Mr.
David to go scot free. I know he will do it for me. Thank you, Jesus.
Because he don't know when the angels go come. Good deed they say pays very well. One good time.
How can you even accept to marry that pauper? A common commercial keke driver. Not even the owner of the keke. Oh. Why?
I love you. Love.
Kosi, you love him. What stupid love is that? No. What kind of nonsense love is that one? Are you not being stupid? Love, is love enough? Is love going to put food on your table? Is love going to bring food into your home?
Why are you stressing yourself? No, wait. Why all this grandma? Why are you shaking like you have convulsion? What is it? Are you not a girl? No, are you not a girl? Make your choice and let me make mine. You can get married to a rich man, right? I have made my choice. And no matter what you say here, I am not going to change my mind. Wait a minute. You sound that say, someone from outside would think that this guy cannot even afford a sachet of pure water. He paid Papa's hospital bills, right? That means he can take care of me.
And that is enough.
It is enough. His love for me is enough.
He paid Papa's hospital bill. And that is enough. Oh, see. So you have deliberately sat down and you have intentionally signed your future. You have signed to suffer the rest of your life. You know what? You have signed it that the rest of your life you want to... Baby. Kosi! Hey! What has this keke driver given to my sister? Ordinary keke, oh. Keke driver. Hey! Kosi!
You know, you always have a way of giving me a special treat. Why?
It's because you are sweet as a sweet wine.
Just stop it, Val. Stop. You just... I'm blushing already.
Can't help it, baby. You're my red wine. You're good for my heart. Would you love me to feed you with my high school.
That's why I'm looking at you. Because you're supposed to do that.
Sure, I got you covered always. It's my girl. The good girl, no.
Stop it.
What? I'll be nice. Got you covered. What's that?
Okay.
You definitely enjoy.
I enjoyed it too.
Yeah.
You're the sweetest man ever.
With my fine one.
Very sexy.
So romantic. So passionate. Baby, your hands, they're not just ordinary. They're magical.
Are you serious?
Your touch is like fire all over my body.
Why are you doing this to me?
Well, that's the truth, baby.
Because I feel like I was entering inside the thing.
Jeez, you know what? Can I keep you here for like 1 minute? Like it's so nasty.
So
I won't allow you to do that because I don't want anyone to come in between us. Please. Okay?
Wow. That's really nice. I love it. So nice.
Yeah, I'll get you more food. Maybe we'll try the vanilla some other time.
Yes.
The strawberry, okay?
Yeah, the strawberry is actually nice.
Oh, that's cool. You love it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, sweetheart,
yes,
would you love to go on a vacation with me? What is it?
It's cool.
2 weeks.
No. How do I explain that?
Okay. So, can we do this?
The cocoa right now is that my husband has finally gone back. And a baby girl is about to start living her baby girl lifestyle again.
Life is yours to enjoy, baby girl.
For living to enjoy.
But don't forget you are pregnant for Ifeanyi, your hobby.
Please, I'm actually very pregnant. It's called special pregnancy arrangement. Nah, you are too much.
You can say that again.
Hey, my baby. Let me feel it. Ah, it's kicking.
You'll see how everything will work out. It will look like magic.
Girl, you are such a genius. And I'm super proud to be your friend. Thank you.
You can say that again. You're welcome.
Oh my days. Like I can't wait to have this baby. Wait to have this baby. Wow! 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 My beloved husband, I pity you.
Meanwhile, I have a gist for you.
You have a gist for me? You are still saying it. Now drop the gist because I don't like people that hold gist from me. Drop it already. I'm waiting. What happened?
You won't believe this. I caught Pat red-handed with her boyfriend going into a hotel. And this time around, she will not deny it because I snapped them both with my phone. Have a look at this. Baby girl, that's your girlfriend, Pat.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Look at how happy she looks here. I'm happy for her, girl. The only problem I have with Pat is that she's just a pretender. She doesn't like to own up to her shit. That's all. But let her live her life. After all, life is for the living. Yes. Wow.
Oh well. Have you gone to the hospital to see Prince?
That's idiot. Wait. The one that planned to run away with my money and elope with his girlfriend. It was my hair that caught them. I should go and see him. Well, I might go, I might not go because I'm still contemplating apparently.
You will go.
When you wanted to offend me and my head cut.
You will go, because I know you. Tomorrow you call me and say, I'm met there with my friends. So you think so?
Please, my Bugatti, my love, my diamond. Please do take care of yourself. I'm really gonna miss you.
But are you sure you don't want to come inside, see my kids, have something cold?
No, my love, as much as I would love to, there's no time. I'm rushing up to somewhere, but I promise you, some other time I will get to see your lovely kids.
Okay, fine if you insist. It's okay.
Thank you.
Just know that I'm going to miss you.
Same here. I'm going to miss you too extremely much. I can't do without you.
Just stop.
You've got me on a lockdown.
Stop. Just stop. Let me go. Before you start preaching, telling me sweet things that will make me go back.
But you know I can't have enough of you.
Alright.
Nebugomo. Ifotogomo. Come on. Not even a schnookles kiss or something.
Oh, good.
Spin me. Just open my
Are you good now?
Yes, I'm good.
You have your own list. Alright then. Take care of you.
Take care of you too.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Bye. Alright, take care.
Alright, take care. I love you. Bye. Why Bugumu?
Hello, darling. I'm fine. Yes, the kids, they are all fine. We are fine. This weekend? Oh, that would be great. We've missed you so much, darling. We've really missed you. Please come back. I miss you. Your wife is missing you so much. Okay, take care. I love you, baby. Mwah. What is wrong with this man? Always coming back when somebody's having fun. Now that I want to have fun, have some sugar, he wants to come back. Please don't come back. What am I going to do now? I think I have to call Val and discuss with him. Yes. Val. Hello?
Hello.
Val, see, I would love to discuss something with you.
What is it? Hope there is no problem. Who called? Who's coming back this weekend? Oh. I hope you are not trying to end our relationship. Hope you're not using this as a medium for we to stay away from each other. Because it's not possible. Omame, it's not possible. I can't stay away from you. Listen, baby. You know I love you so much. You're my Bugatti. But irrespective of that, there is no man born of a woman that can stop me from seeing you. Alright? Nobody. I don't care what happens. Whatever that will happen, let it happen. I'll talk to you tomorrow, please. I have some urgent matters to attend to. Alright.
Hello? Hello? Hey! What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Hey! Val galaputa kwam Val, Val.
Babe. Hi! It is good that your husband has traveled back to Europe.
My sweetheart, all thanks to you. As in, I'm super grateful to God that everything worked out well as planned. All thanks to you.
You can say that again. Now we need to move on to next stage.
Okay. Which is?
We have to go to the market and buy fake tummy.
Huh?
Yes, so you have to use that artificial tummy to make everything look real. And do some pregnancy photo shooting and send him some pictures.
Girl! Bust my head! Oh my God, you just busted my brain. Like,
you didn't know that?
You are such an evil genius. Like, how on earth do you come up with all these ideas? How do you come up with them?
Are you Elena? Oh, one more thing. You can even host a baby shower during this period. But make sure you don't involve any of your husband people. I beg.
Mary, am I that stupid? Like, why would I do a thing like that?
I said I should remind you before you involve your in-laws.
Mary, my God, you are too much. Like, you know, why can't I think out of box like you, the way you do, you know?
Because I'm the genius, man.
What you just said now, it never occurred to me. Okay, in that case, this weekend will be fine.
No problem.
Wow!
I'm ready when you're ready, babes. Cheers.
Mary,
to Mary, the plan maker.
Mary, you are too much. Like, you just shocked me now. You know, I never thought about that.
You want to do something, you do it good.
Please, I beg you, just understand me. I beg you, understand my situation, please. I know it's very, very difficult, but I know you can do it, please. I don't want anything that's going to cost me my home, my husband. I don't want anything that is going to affect the future of my children. Please understand me, I beg you. Please.
Baby, what about me? You talk about your family and your children. What about me?
I'm sorry.
Baby, you caused this.
Yes, I know.
Caused this.
I know it's all my fault. It's all
Caused
my
it.
fault.
If you had waited a little longer, we'd be this nice to me. Baby, you promised me. You promised me that you would break my heart and you will leave me again.
I'm sorry.
You should not leave me again, please.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I can't leave you.
Please try. You can.
Please don't hurt my emotions, please. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. You're welcome. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Let me start by introducing myself formally. I am Zenweke, and Ken here is my nephew, the son of my brother. We are from Uguoba. And it's a pity my brother is not I'll get representing.
Okay. Uguoba is not far from here.
Of course.
In fact, when I was in secondary school, your people trekked down to receive education here.
You actually hear the mission. Yes. My nephew here, Ken, says very succulent, beautiful, and right. This is an apple. And then he has to plug it. It's like in your hands here. Really? Yes.
That doesn't have the capacity to plug the house. It's okay. Well, what would I say? I will leave my gate open. If he has the capacity to plug the apple, let it go.
That is good. Yes. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, in that case, really thank you for accepting us. Right now, it's not out of this. Yeah. To be good, kind, set my eyes.
That is not a difficult task to accomplish. Kenya is like a song to me.
Okay.
Yeah? So it is not actually not a difficult task. In fact, I'll make it very easy for you. Go see son Naya.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world.
My food. Listen, wait. Okay, this food is complete.
Hey, the time for play is over.
What now? Why are you always serious? Eh? Please loosen up a bit though.
Listen, I overheard Madam and Oga talking. And I think Oga is coming back very soon. If you love your job, you have to behave well.
Can't you see I'm a sharp, gallant gate man and also a driver? Please go, let me eat my food.
Nobody's perfect in this world.
This girl can cook. Chai. Daisy. And this one they make me like you. I just Daisy. Somebody that will marry you. Listen.
Baby girl, so like play, Chika is now pregnant. Oh wow. I love the way it suits me, so good. You know, it looks so natural. And the fact that I can actually adjust it to different months makes it perfect.
Whoa, this is nice. Beautiful. Hey? But I must warn you of something. You are to start acting clumsy as you claim to be pregnant. You never can tell. Your husband might have informants that are watching you without your knowledge, you know.
You're very right. And that is what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to see the guy carrying myself and use it. My friend, were you there? Let me even ask you, how do you know all these things? Like, was this how you gave birth to your 2 children?
No. No, I actually gave birth to them. But I have a friend of mine that did it and it worked perfectly.
Really? The same way my own will work perfectly well for me.
Even better.
I'm pregnant. The guy is pregnant for real. See Bele now. Is this not the Bele that you are carrying up and down?
I thought you were in the kitchen.
Yes, but let me quickly go check what's on fire.
No. Don't worry. I've turned off the gas. The food almost got burnt.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, should I get your food now?
No. Don't worry about the food. Babe, Are you okay? You look troubled.
No, I'm fine. I'm perfect. There's no issues.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm fine.
It's okay. I want to go see a friend of mine. I'll be back in a jiffy, okay?
Okay. That's the problem. Please get something for me.
I will.
And my kids too.
I will. I love you, okay?
I love you too, darling.
I'll see you.
Alright, take care.
Alright, babe.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to.
Wow. Go through it before trying it out.
Sam, I pray this works out like you said.
Yes, of course. Those I recommended it came back with testimony. Yours will not be different.
Alright, Sam. Thank you so much. I'll give you a call if need be, okay?
Best of luck.
Alright. I appreciate it.
He knows every man, but in and out he no good. He knows who is righteous, he knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy.
Madam, you called me.
Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world.
Henceforth, I want to be serving my husband's food myself.
Okay, ma. Madam, you mean I should just cook and allow you to serve his food?
Exactly. That's what I meant.
Okay, ma.
Even when I forget, remind me.
Okay, ma.
So are you done with what you're doing?
I'm almost through, ma.
Almost. Get out. I'll finish up.
Thank you, ma.
Esther. Kosi has finally accepted to marry Ken. And the traditional wedding will be soon.
What did she see in that keke guy? When you nanya keke na walk. Push and move.
Esther.
Hey!
Esther! Hey! Look, I am honestly happy for her. Because I don't want it to look as though I'm jealous of her or I'm not happy. Kosi is my sister. And I am happy for her.
Jealous one. She's not supposed to misunderstand you at all. You are doing whatever you think is the best for her. As a sister.
Listen, Esther. Kosi is my younger sister. And believe you me, I am so happy for her.
Me, I'm happy. I'm happy too.
We should.
Me too, I'm happy.
We should be happy.
But I will not enter that keke, okay? Push I enter. I'm not going to enter.
Esther. Esther.
your phone! Sweetheart!
Papa, I want to discuss something with you.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm supposed to follow Ken to go and meet some of his relatives before they did it. So I thought that it was wise for me to tell you before I
go. Of course you should tell me. Am I not your father? Huh? It is also very good that you should get to know some of his relatives, especially his mother and his siblings.
Okay,
Make sure it is what you want. No, don't forget all that I told you. Put it in mind. When you get there, look around very well. Be sure that you are satisfying your heart.
Thank you, Papa.
And when you get there, greet Ken for me.
Okay, Papa.
Tell him I'm well.
Okay, I'll tell him. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you. Your food is so delicious.
Oh, that means you like it.
I love it.
So fast?
Oh yes. I was hungry and at the same time the food tastes so nice. So I have to rush it, Why are you surprised?
It's nothing, honey. It's not that like I'm surprised. No. It's just that I've not seen you this fast with food before.
It's because it tastes so nice, and trust me, next time you prepare something as good as this, I will eat it faster.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. I love you, right?
Yes, I love you right back.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
I love you too, my darling.
Alright, I'll be in the room.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm coming. I'm here. I know no problem. Nah. If I not all bullshit, man. Nah. It's all one thing. If it's all bullshit, man, sweeter than honey.
Baby, what is this? Eh? What is this? At least you could have stayed a little bit longer. Even if it's 5 minutes. It must still be 2 minutes all the time.
Babe, can't you see the way I'm breathing? If I can't see a cool, look at the sweat as well. Eh? Do you want me to die here? Eh? Listen, my father was unable to
feel the soul. It's not me that can feel it. Eh? Me push we friend, I'm not pushing we, me pushing we. Eh? Nejide yetu akanjide nkema.
You're sweating. You're sweating. For 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes and you're sweating. 2 minutes, ma.
Will I die there? Huh? Nga bath.
Each time you struggle and have this routine action, you left my emotion bare. It would have been better you didn't do it.
Nde, you enjoyed it, right?
Enjoy cutie.
Hey. Chimuku. The way you're rubbing me this thing. You're rubbing me this thing again.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world. Makiti abingini fuwa. Lobika bawagio, Papa. Lobi ekala pudi, hey, Nana. Lobi ekala pudi. Imenkiji bulumadu. Izuwaike, allow God to do the rest. He knows every man, but in and out he no go. He knows who is righteous, he knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world.
Hey, girl, the manner you are carrying yourself, man, everyone will believe you are truly pregnant.
Yes, now, am I not pregnant?
You are.
My sister, all thanks to you for teaching me very well. You are the baddest. You are the baddest, and I really appreciate you, my friend.
You know, after sending those pictures to your husband, we have to start making arrangements on where to adopt the baby.
Adopt the baby, kwa? Are we not going to Motherless Baby's home to adopt the baby? Hey, so where do we get the baby from?
The best approach is baby factory. They know expectant mother that will deliver baby on your supposed 2 months.
Wow, brilliant.
But you just have to pray that one of them deliver a baby boy.
Wow. God, God, show me mercy, eh? Let them deliver a baby boy for me. Eh? Show me love. Don't leave me in the middle of the road, though. You've been with me all this while, Biko. It's just many small things, Biko. God God is with me. Cannot disappoint me.
A baby is a baby now. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I already told him that it's a baby boy that we expect.
A baby is a baby. Listen, please, though, before then, make sure that the money for the transaction is ready.
Is that what you are still saying? The money is ready. Looking for where to spend it. I'm not joking. Money won't be a problem. Just show me where to get the baby and consider it done.
You will have a baby.
Of course now.
A baby is coming.
And a baby...
It's kicking.
It's kicking. It's kicking.
Chika!
Thank you. Where's mom?
She's inside. My daughter. Calm down, okay? Sit down, sit down.
What did I just hear you say? And you're no longer limping. You can even talk very well. What is going on here?
My daughter, calm down, okay? Ken here is my biological son.
So who was that guy and why was he beating you in public?
He's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yes, sir.
Treating you like a nobody?
We started dating recently. Then he took me to the eatery, gave me some money and then demanded for sex. So when I said no, he started beating me.
Sex?
Yes, sir.
That's awful. Beating you because of sex? Yes, sir. But why did you refuse to grant him that since he's your boyfriend?
Because I've not done it before.
You're a virgin?
Yes, sir. You can even get someone to confirm.
Oh, no. Get someone. You're funny. It's not as if I'm interested in knowing if you're a virgin or not. I'm just, trying to show concern, Okay. What's your name?
Luchi, sir.
Luchi. Okay. Well, you eat something, and after that, I will instruct my driver to drop you home. Okay? No, it's okay. Who's that?
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. Nabia mawagama, ifendo waneme, mere mere niru. May God help us in this world. Makiti ya bingini fuwa. Lobika mawagio, papa. Lobi ekala puri, hey, namo. Lobi ekala puri. Imenkiji bulumadu. Is wake, allow God to do the rest. He knows every man, but in and out he no go. He knows who is righteous, he knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy, Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. You don't see nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect.
You are a visitor. You are not supposed to do this with us.
I won't tell you that. Is there a rule or custom of this land?
Please don't let us lose our soul. The prince will not like don't worry, let that be. Just sit down here. So I will not. It's my house. I will not. Let me find.
Greetings, Your Highness. May you live long.
What is Luchi doing with our maidens?
As you can see, she's sweeping with the maidens.
Why?
Why? She's displaying the virtues of a good woman. And trust me, I think she'll make a good wife for our son.
And you think so?
Sure. I've actually observed her for quite some time now. She's good. Trust me. Let's walk down. Let me show you all the things they've done for today.
It's okay.
Well, keep it up.
Keep it up. I'll be back in the gym.
Pretenders, let them they do the work. My favorite child, dear, on the no be more. Can you give account of them?
My son, what do you have in mind about Luchi?
I really love her, Father. I can't say much. All I want is your blessings.
Your Majesty, just like I told you, I've observed this girl for some time now. She's good, so she'll make a good wife.
It is okay. And you see, anything worth doing is worth doing well. If everyone of woman are them okay?
Sure.
In that case, we'll make arrangements to go and do the needful. I can't wait to carry my grandchildren.
I can't wait either. My son is late for you now. You do the needful, okay?
Sure, I will.
In that case, go and see your uncle Weke. Tell him to come and see me tomorrow morning. I will instruct him on what to do.
Okay, Father. Okay.
Thank you very much. My son, you did not fall, okay?
Sure.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Ah, my prince, you're going out?
Yes, have you forgotten I told you I have an important meeting to attend?
I've forgotten.
So, do you need anything?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Sure. I'm okay.
You don't need money to buy ice cream?
Fine. And thanks for the care.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Alright, take care of you.
Alright, bye. See you.
How long has this been going on?
Just once.
That's a lie. I've been watching you. All your activities in this room has been recorded. So this is what you do? Steal my money? Huh? All you do is to pretend. Pretend! Huh? I take the money. Just take it already. Do not get me angry. Just pick the money. Go ahead. Don't take time. Pick the whole money now. Now.
Welcome, my child. Thank you. Welcome.
My friend is really blessed. Just look at this Anita of yesterday. Anita of yesterday.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So how is the Europe?
Oh, fine. Wow.
Dad, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Sit down. We have a special visitor here.
Oh, I don't seem to know her.
I don't understand. Son, you can't recall Anita, the daughter of Chief Omenife, that went to the Europe to complete her studies.
Oh, small pin charger. Come, stop. What's up? Wow, you're looking all big now.
Oh, thank you. You know, that's what a lot of people say.
For real, I never believed I can change this much.
Of course you changed. You changed, man. Wow, good to see you again, ain't it?
Likewise. I can see we have a lot of catching up to do.
Definitely.
You're welcome, my dear. Thank you. Son, why not take her around and show her some places at least you both can understand yourself much better?
Oh, of course. This way, please. Wow,
Thank you.
you're looking all big.
Your Highness.
Please stop. I want to sleep. Stop.
What, please?
Anita, stop.
What's wrong now?
Can you stop?
I need it one more, please. I am not satisfied.
What do you mean you're not satisfied? We've been making out for the past 4 hours and you're not satisfied. Are you not tired?
Just one more.
Please, just stop. This is past 2. I need to sleep. You need to sleep.
Okay, so promise me you're going to give it to me in the morning.
Anita, please, let me sleep.
Oh, I always love my morning doings. Mostly 5 o'clock in the morning, please. Okay, I'll leave you to sleep in the morning. Oh. Oh, it's morning. Baby. Wake up. Wake up, let's do one more. It's morning.
Hey, stop.
Baby, wake up. It's morning already.
Hey, what is... Can you stop? What is your problem?
Baby, you promised to do it in the morning.
Well, can you stop this? It's too early. Can't you do without sex? What's having sex all the time?
What is this? If I don't ask for sex, you won't give it to me. I am your woman. You should touch me even when I don't want to.
Hey, listen. I want to be very sincere with you right now. If you continue with this whole sex thing, I will be forced to sleep in a guest room. What is your problem?
Oh, really?
Oh yes, really. Really?
Okay, maybe I should go tell your parents that it don't satisfy me.
What?
Yeah.
You really want to tell my parents that?
Mm-hmm. I want to go tell them that their son, the prince, can't satisfy me.
Won't you be shameless to actually tell my parents that?
No, darling. You should be the one to be shameless for not satisfying a woman. Watch me do it.
Anita, hey, Anita, can you just come and sit? Let's talk.
Okay, I'm sitting in the condition that to give it to me. Oh, but just do something. Don't you keep us here? Let's go with me.
Anita, what's the meaning of this? Huh? What are you doing?
What have I done this time?
Are you asking me? Have I not told you to stop smoking in this room? If you must be stupid to smoke, why not go outside and smoke? Use the garden!
Ken, why are you shouting as if I'm on hard drug?
Huh? Shut up. Is that all you have to say?
Hey.
If that's all you have to say for flaunting my orders, I told you stop smoking in this room.
Ken, you're getting on my nerves. And I don't like it. What nonsense! What do you want me to do? Please.
Stupid. What's your problem? Go outside and smoke!
Okay. Can I at least have a...
Just look at just look at how she messed everywhere up. Listen, let this be the last time you will ever smoke in this room.
Oh, really? Chill, it's just smoke.
You're very stupid! Oh my god, I'm choking.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, baby.
That's the four lines. What do? Jesus Christ.
Anita! Jesus Christ. What is the meaning of all this?
Mom, have you seen it? Have you seen who you and Dad brought for me to marry? Now look at it. Look at the kind of woman you brought for me. Look at it.
God! Are you trying to blame me now? No! You should blame your son who couldn't satisfy my own.
Will you shut up? Jesus! My son will never have anything to do with a lunatic like as you. It's an abomination to my tradition and custom. God! Hey!
See, you don't have any right to tell me what to do. Huh? I'm a grown woman, I know what to do. Please, leave me alone. I should leave this place. I'm tired of this bondage.
Jesus Christ. And you're going with the cucumber?
Of course, why would she go with it? It's part of that.
Jesus Christ.
I'm only sorry for the poor cucumber. Cucumber life matters.
Jesus Christ.
Listen, did you remember that day at the balcony?
Yes.
I was walking.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes.
She did all of that. That was how she did her waist on this bed. My waist did.
Jesus Christ.
Yes! Always sex starved, mother.
Sex is not the issue. With a cucumber?
You ain't seen nothing. 2 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m., 4, even 5, 6 in the morning, she's waking me up.
No, this is out of it.
Thank God.
You can't continue like this. You really need to get married so as to be able to fulfill the prerequisite to sit on this throne after me.
You're right, Your Majesty. My son, you have to listen to your father. At least getting married and bringing the grandchildren into this world will elongate our lives. Please.
You're right, Mom. Definitely I will get married, but I just need to take my time so I won't make mistakes. You know, considering the ugly experiences I had in the past, I don't need to make a mistake while choosing a wife and of course for the throne.
Well, my son, you have our support, okay? And I'm strongly behind you. Your Majesty, do you have anything to say?
I have nothing to say, but I will give him every necessary support he needs.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Is that all you want to say?
That is all.
Okay, Father. I will be right in my chambers then.
It's okay.
So, that was it. I'm really sorry for everything. I'm so sorry. One other thing. I'm not only the heir apparent to the throne, I'm also the chairman of transportation in the state. So, I don't want to have any secrets again. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Mary. No, I was going to call you back before your call came in again. Yes, who is at the door? Come in. My darling, I was going to like... Yes, before your... Oh my God. Honey, I wasn't expecting you. Is everything alright?
I wasn't given enough time to make any call or take any of my properties along with me. I had issues in Europe and I was repatriated back to this country.
Jesus. Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Well, honey, there's no cause for alarm. At least we have enough money and we have acquired enough properties that will sustain us till I get back on my feet. For now, I just want to say hi to the baby.
Hey! What's this? What's the meaning of this? Wait, did you lie to me about this pregnancy? Wait.
I can explain, please.
Explain what? What can you explain? What are you trying to do? Explain what exactly? Talk to me! I don't understand. What's this? Talk to me!
Calm down now, let me explain to you.
Why you chose to hurt me this much? I don't know why. Now, where is all the money and documents to all the properties I bought?
Where's all the money? Talk to me! You don't say that. You don't even make any sense. What are you saying? Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me something.
I'm sorry, please. Please, forgive me, please.
I should forgive you? You're not making sense. You're not saying anything. Like, you're not saying anything. You're driving me crazy. What's going on? Please. I'll leave my house. Leave my house.
People judge you by what they see, appearance, you nasty hands. People judge By what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. When you see somebody, don't look down on him because you can. Appearance, doesn't matter always, Don't give conclusion, A negative mind, we find the fault in everything they see, But a positive mind, finds
Kosi.
Papa.
Good day, Papa.
What is going on? This is my sister's fellowship. It is me, your sister, life and direct. And as you know, this is my fiancé, Ken. Why are you both wearing costume?
Where is your keke? Papa, please stop being dramatic. I was never poor. This is the real me. I'm royalty. Let's go inside so I can throw more light on that. Let's go.
So this is not costume?
Stop it. Such a drama queen, please. It's not.
Go see. Hey.
By what they see, appearance, nasty hands. Be a happiness to people because we don't know when the angels go come. Good deed they say pays very well. One good turn deserves another. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, please, what are you doing here?
I'm inspecting my land, of course. What do you mean by what am I doing here?
Wait. Did I just hear you say that you're inspecting your land?
Yes, I'm inspecting my land.
Wait, Mr. Man, let me tell you now. If you know what is good for you now, as I'm talking now, just start living. Start living just now. How? If the owner of this land sees you here,
Owner of which land, young man? I don't understand what you're saying. This land belongs to me.
See, sir, if you must to know, this land belongs to the Assistant Commissioner of Police. If he sees you here, your life will not remain the same.
You mean this land belongs to the Assistant Commissioner of Police? I have the documents to this land.
See, sir, I've said my own. As I'm living now, just believe in. Because if he sees you here, 12 years imprisonment, that will be your name. I won't say you finish.
By what they see, appearance, people judge you, by what they see, appearance,
she actually
be a happiness to people because we don't know when the angels will come.
Live here! Live this place! I said live!
Please, I'm begging you, please.
Why have you chosen to destroy my life? Why? Why?
I didn't mean it that way, please. For once, please. Can you allow me to tell you the truth? At least you deserve to know the truth. I owe you that. Please.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What? I'm listening. What do you have to say?
I'm very sorry. I was being haunted by my mistake of the past. During my secondary school days, I had this abortion that destroyed my womb.
And you didn't tell me all this earlier. After all my years of suffering and toiling in Europe to make money, everything gone like that. What are you talking about? What are you saying? What's this?
I'm very sorry, please. Just forgive me, please. I know I don't deserve it, but please forgive me, please.
Look. I have forgiven you. I swear to God, I have forgiven you. But I cannot live under the same roof with you again. You can take all the money, all the land, anything you've got it from me, take it. Keep it all. But please stay away from me. I know God will help me pick myself back up and find a good woman that will give me children. Real children!
No, please, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Leave this place! Leave here!
I was raped in my secondary school days. And the man responsible denied me. I didn't want to face the shame alone. I had to abort the baby. Unfortunately for me, I went to a work who destroyed my womb. And I did not want to lose you either. Reason I did what I did to save my marriage. It's really heartbreaking. Now my mistakes of the past has caught up with me now. Please. Please, my dear husband, I'm very sorry. Forgive me, please. Listen, I am not begging you to take me back again. You deserve someone better than me, but at least I need your forgiveness. Please forgive me.
Look, like I said before, I have forgiven you. I do not bear any grudge against you anymore. Just leave this place peacefully because I don't want to do anything I would end up regretting. Leave this place. I am going in there to get your bags. I don't want to come out here and meet you.
He knows who is righteous. He knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world.
Just look at how glamorous Kosi's wedding was. It was attended by dignitaries. Hey, money is good. I think I have to try one more time to hook up with some of these rich guys out there. I have to try. I think I have to honor this invitation from Esther. Remember to say, quitters never win. Let me just go and dress up and call her. Let me dress up and call her.
sweet baby. Ooh. Eat and drink. That's what it's specially made for
From the wife to me.
I'm your wife to you, darling.
My love.
Yes.
I know I just lost appetite.
Why?
I know. Don't worry, take it to the kitchen, okay?
Honey, you don't have to say that. I personally made this food. This is the food I made. And you're telling me, do you know how many hours I spent in the kitchen?
It's okay. It's okay. Will eating this food put a smile on your face?
Of course, yes. It's going to put a smile on my face. Think about it. I don't know, this food was made by me. Not Rita, not Tacy. I personally made the food. Of course, do you know how I feel that my darling husband eats my food? I'll be happy.
You know how much I love you, right?
I know. And you know I love you too. So, so much. I love you, sweetheart.
I loved you yesterday. I love you today. I will forever love you.
I know.
Come rain, come shine. You will always be my pride. You are my heart's desire. Hand in hand, we shall cross the hurdles of life together.
Of course.
I will forever love you.
Thank you for loving me. And I love you right back. 100%. So eat. Noise maker. Just making noise. Shouting. As if you're the only one that eaten poison before. Idiot. I'll just kick you now. Hello, my love. Yes, baby. The idiot. He's dead. Please, can you hurry up? Just come before my kids get home. Yes, and you know I sent my workers out. Yes. You're where? Outside? Okay, I'm coming to pick you. Boring man. Boring man, you won't. Boring like never. Baby, come, here he is.
Where's the job? Where is he?
Sweetheart.
Is this a joke or something? Where is he?
He was here. I left him here before I came to open the gates for you. Get to see the blood stain.
Stop there! Don't move! Don't move. You are under arrest. I'm from the Nigerian police. Both of you are under arrest.
Arrest for what? What have we done?
And don't dare to mess up with us because you don't like the outcome. So it's better you stay or move it.
Move where? What have we done?
I am the reason they are here.
Honey,
Are you surprised? Of course, I know. You will be surprised.
All your dealings with this young man, I know all of them. Every one of them. Of course, I do know of them. All your conversation, text messages that you exchange with them, I'm aware of them. It might interest you to know that I put a secret code into your phone. So every conversation and text messages you exchange with him hits my phone first before hitting his phone.
Hey!
Are you surprised?
Hey! Honey, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to do all this. I didn't mean to.
Stop! Keep that on my shot. You don't mean to do what? You are not sorry. Not at all. Now tell me. Tell me what wrong have I done? Tell me what wrong have I done? Did I in any way wrong you?
No, not
What
at all.
haven't I done to make you happy? Huh? Why do you have to do this to me? I do everything humanly possible to put food on your table. I go out of my way to make sure that you're happy. What haven't I done? I don't know. You do good night with this good for nothing young man.
Hey!
This gold digger to dwindle me of my hard-earned money. You are wicked. Patricia, you are very, very wicked.
Sorry, I'm sorry. It's the devil's handwork, baby. I'm sorry. You know me. I don't have a heart. You know me.
Patricia,
Sir.
you are a shame and a total disgrace to every woman. Honestly.
I know.
Officers.
Sir!
Get them out of here.
Now both of you move! Move it! Move!
Don't mess up with us! Move!
This way! Move! I said move! Don't!
Honey, I still love you.
I said move!
No, wasting our time.
I
Move!
still love you, baby. I still
Move!
love you.
Move!
I will not do
I said
it
move!
again. I will not do
Move!
it again.
Wow! Who we have here?
Hi, Terry. Hi, how are you?
You look so good.
Oh, thank you very much. You look good yourself.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
It seemed like you got bored waiting for me because you were on your way out.
I was coming to see you. I'm so excited to see
No,
you.
you can't say that. How possible is that? You were on your way out. You didn't know I was going to be here.
My instincts, I guess.
So you're not a spirit, Terry.
Yes. All right,
Oh,
let's
wow.
go in now, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Ross, I have a confession to make to you.
What is it?
Ross, me and your wife, we go way back! Way back in the university, your wife used to be my girlfriend. People like you, because say I get money, you got a fun galadima anyhow. You just can't feed my girlfriend away because say you get money. Ross, you took the only woman that I ever loved. You took that which belongs to me because you have money. Ross, when I came into the city for greener pastures, we met and our love rekindled. So I had to take that which belonged to me by force. As a violent man whom I am. Ross, your wife's richer.
I enjoy her.
Keep silence! Keep quiet. I must make sure you rot in jail.
Daniel.
My wife's
Oh.
shut up!
I enjoy that woman! Make her sweet. I didn't enjoy all these years.
Mr. Man. Now move out.
Professor, make I tell this man what you need to know.
I said get out! Move out!
Bros, if I get another chance, I will do more than this.
Move!
Yes. We are doing well. We are fine. Yes. Go see help me to greet my son-in-law. His Royal Majesty, of course. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Papa.
Yes. Where are you going to?
I just want to go. I want to see a friend of mine who promised to help me get admission into the university.
Oh. Okay. That's all right. But make sure you come back early enough. Okay. You know you have to prepare dinner for us.
I know. All right, Papa.
All right. Go well.
All right. See you soon.
For that reason, I'll get you a car tomorrow.
Issy, wait. Chiruba, what did you just say?
A car.
You will buy me a car?
I'm serious.
Are you serious about this? Babe, see, if you do this for me, I will ever remember you.
Believe me, tomorrow I'll get you a car.
Are you serious? I love this.
Are you serious?
I love this.
So tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, don't worry. Let's go inside.
You're funny, seriously.
I'm so excited. You know, considering how much love you've shown me, the gifts you've given me. I mean, it's amazing because you haven't even made a demand yet, and I'm wondering, what manner of a man is this?
Oh, come on. I don't rush my babe. I don't have to rush you. Come on. You're so beautiful today.
Thank you. So let's talk about you.
What's there to know about me?
A lot. Like, what do you do for a living?
Okay, I'm a British-based footballer, so I'm just here for the holidays, you know. And hopefully, God's willing, I find my better half.
Okay. So, any luck with searching for your better half?
We'll talk about that tomorrow, okay? Just enjoy your drink. Let's just go, okay?
You want to flex yourself.
Yeah, I was going to show you this too. You like it?
No way. This is too much.
Yeah, you like this color?
Why not? I love it.
Yeah, I picked right.
Aren't you doing so much already? Is this how nice you are?
Oh, come on. Anything for you. Anything for you.
Wow.
I'm going to order it online now.
Thank you.
My love, please. Don't let our kids know about this, I beg you. Please.
I've already told them. And they regret ever having you as their mother.
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know it's very hard, but please, just forgive me. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do, but please just forgive me. Listen, just, I don't know if I have the chance to come back, but if I don't, take care of our children and tell them that I love them. I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Crocodile tears.
Take care of my kids, please. Please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Now, madam, move it. You're wasting my time.
Yes, sir. I did. Everyone can start checking compliments. You know I've done.
Mary, why are you crying?
Leave me. I feel like committing suicide.
Suicide? Why?
My husband threw me out of the house.
You don't say.
As a result of the role I play in the issue Chika had with the husband. As if that was not enough, I have been relieved of my duty at the ministry.
What did you do?
Because of the document I helped her to forge. I'm finished.
You are finished.
I lost everything I worked for. Everything.
What are you going to do?
I lost my husband, my job.
No. How are you going to start? You know, you have to, but you know you have to calm down.
Oh, she don't understand. She don't understand.
I understand. You have to calm down. See, you know what? Let's get to my house first. Come on. You cannot sit down here all night. Let's get to the house, please.
Chika, I was only trying to help you, Chika. You put me in this situation. I was only trying to help you.
Okay.
I was only trying to help
Let's get to the house. Let's get to the house, please. Please, just please.
Oh,
please.
no. I don't know what to do. I don't know what
Okay, can we just get to my house first?
Hey. Hey.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Mrs. Sorry. No, you can't go anywhere. We are in search of a condo right now.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer. Here's my ID card. My men is around everywhere. So can you open that bag?
Officer, that's my number.
Open the bag! Open the bag!
Should I open the bag?
Yes!
Open this bag! What's you're still asking. What's wrong with you? Come on, open that. Officer, look. Open it! Should I?
Open the bag!
Open it in the bag. Officer, nothing to do.
Ritualist!
Hey! You're under arrest. So you guys have a ritualist in this hotel?
No, sir.
Now, officers, go around this room in this hotel and search.
Yes, sir.
You're under arrest. Your hands up.
Sonny, what people are doing in this hotel? Move it! What people are doing in this hotel? This man is not dry. I will blow your heads off. Move it.
I'm not.
You are talking when I'm talking. Are you crazy? Move it! Murderer! Ritually! If I match you, go get down!
Take it down now!
Nonsense!
Ritualist! Sir, we caught him red-handed dead. He was about to kill a girl inside there.
So they wanted you to use that girl for a ritual?
Yes, sir.
And she really fought for her life!
Supervisor, rush that girl to the hospital. And Officer Sophia, follow him.
Yes, sir.
Ritualist. This is what you are doing in this hotel.
Officer,
you are not involved.
Let's take him to the station right now.
Please, stand up. Stand up!
Now, move it.
Move it.
Move it. Move it right now. Move it.
Officer, I have money. We can settle this.
Move it. I don't need the money. Move it.
Yes, sir.
I want to use this opportunity to apologize to you. I know that I've put you through a whole lot, but I'm sorry. I should have listened to you and Kosi. I should have. But my greed and my stubbornness didn't let me. I'm so sorry, Papa. I have learned from my mistakes.
It's okay. We are happy that you survived. Okay.
I can't wait to see Kosi and her family. Now that I'm vain and hearted. I can't wait.
Of course you will see them.